In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account in Figma. Before we get started, a quick reminder: deleting your Figma account is permanent. This means you may lose access to your files, drafts, and any shared projects associated with that account. If there's anything you might need later, take a moment to download or duplicate those files to another workspace or account before continuing. To begin, open Figma in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're on the main Figma dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a profile photo, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, you'll see several options related to your account and workspace. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open your account settings page. This is where Figma keeps all the controls related to your personal information, preferences, and account management. Once the settings page loads, scroll until you find the section related to your account status or account actions. In this area, you should see an option that says Delete Account. It might be styled as a button or a link, often highlighted or placed near other critical account options so you can clearly recognize it. When you've found it, click on Delete Account. After clicking, Figma will usually show a confirmation prompt or a dialog box. This is an extra safety step to make sure you really want to delete your account, since this action cannot be undone. In this confirmation window, you will see another Delete Account button. Carefully read any message or warning shown here so you understand what will happen next. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on Delete Account again to confirm. At this point, you may see a final highlighted area or confirmation notice on the screen, indicating that your request has gone through. Pay attention